And if you knock us down 9 times, we're gonna get up 10, bitch. Hey guys, it's Fairly Broken Dadass coming to you live. The beloved Namaste was vandalized last night, and having trouble getting the paint off of it. Last night, the Namastang, the beloved Namastang, was vandalized. I'm fairly certain by my neighbors. I had a small fender bender with my neighbor while my car was parked and I was asleep. I woke up and I said, hey, can you give me $50 for this? I'll fix it. They laughed at me. They called me names. They taunt me when I go to the laundromat around the corner. They yell at me from across the street. They make fun of me. So I went through my insurance. They got the bill on Friday. Saturday morning, this morning I woke up and my car had been spray painted with the P word and the F word. As we all know, the Namaste has brought a lot of joy to a lot of people. It's been in parades and movies and TV shows. And I'm f***ing sick of this toxic masculinity bullshit. I'm getting laid off from my job. I don't have money to pay for this, so I'm asking for donations. Half of the donations I'm gonna give to a charity for battered women or to reduce this toxic masculinity bullshit. You might be saying to yourself, why should I donate to this to get this guy to fix his damn car? And that's so we can stand up united against toxic masculinity and this lashing out, aggressive, boisterous, preposterous behavior that so many men in our country and our world do, inflicting pain and suffering on so many other people. So why I think you should donate is so we can make a united front. I'm trying to look right at you. Where's the lens? Make a united front and stand up and say we won't tolerate this crap. And if you knock us down 9 times, we're gonna get up 10, bitch. Quoting my girl Cardi B. These paint markings you see are after I applied the graffiti removal and sprayed it with this pressure washer, because I was like, if it comes right off, I'm fine, I don't care. But it didn't come right off. I'll have to hire my friend Bash, who's an incredible muralist, to help repaint some portions of the Namaste, which would cost about $500. And then the paint, whatever else they have to do to fix the plastic molding that has eroded. I use this graffiti spray, but some parts it's eating through the paint and the plastic and it's bubbling up, and even to the point of damaging the paint underneath and making it bubble up like this. Can you see this? Where's my hand? Yeah. And I just got this door put on here. It's not ideal. And just to be clear, half of what we get will be donated to charity, this charity. And I think that's really important. So let's make this go viral, or at least local viral, or at least middle-aged viral, or, you know, LinkedIn viral, something. Let's turn this gosh darn negative, I want to cut their off with a saw and throw it in an alligator into a gosh darn positive. But I'm gonna be the better man, which is what adults and grown-ups and real men do. They don't spray paint on someone's car. I know it sounds stupid, someone upset over their car, but to me it's more than that. And I hope you feel the same way, and I hope we can get rolling again. So let's see if we can raise $4,000 to fix this terrible thing that the forces of the devil and the demons of darkness have bestowed upon. I'm also aware that money is an extremely hard to come by commodity, so if you don't have the cash to donate, please just share this on your whatever pages, send it to any car people, tweet it out, tell your grandma, email it to some coworkers, whatever you can do. This car gets a lot of smiles per gallon, and I want to keep it that way. So help me keep the Namastang on the road of life and keep spreading joy, promote peace and understanding in this world, even in the face of calamity and toxic male behavior. Thank you. Please donate if you can. I love you all, and Namastang on. No matter how hard it seems. I love you. Thank you.